Welcome to the brief beginner's guide for creating note and notebook on your Evernote account. I'll teach you how to do it today. And this is daily tutorials. So before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now, starting with the very first notebook, how to create it and add your new note into it. I'll teach you each of them. First of all, tap on these 3 straight parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap on notebooks below all notes. Tap on this addition notebook icon on the top right corner next to this magnifying glass icon. Enter the new name for the new notebook. Let me keep one. Tap on OK on the right. So tap on Not Now if you don't want this notebook to be available offline because you need to upgrade for this. So tap on Not Now below. Under this notebook named as Dolphin's Dilemma, you have an option of creating a note. Tap on New Note on the bottom. You can see you have 6 of the options to create a note. Starting from the very first is an add reminder. Tap on add reminder. If you want to keep anything as a headline, you have an option of creating it. So to add a reminder at this particular time, to set the time, tap on this keyboard like an icon on the right corner next to this add reminder. You can choose a date that you want Evernote to remind you of. So I am going to add here 21st July Wednesday, and for time, tap on time and select the particular time. I really want to get updated on 6:30 a.m. So tap on save on the bottom right when you're done, and then tap on set on the bottom right. You can even add a reminder, keep it. For that, you can keep a topic or title to it. So I am going to do it. So when you're done with it, you can even use some emojis. I'm going to use an emoji for it, and then tap on set on the bottom right. So you have successfully created a reminder for this ping. Now tap on new note on the bottom again. The next one is to record your audio. Tap on record audio. You can see you need to allow Evernote to record audio. Tap on allow. Now you can start writing or choose it. So I am going to write something into it. You can also do the same. And on the top left corner, you can see that there is a recording going on, and they have already recorded me for 17 seconds and going on. They are recording me back again. I can start writing or choosing something to create a template and a proper voice record for this note. So I am going to write here something. You can also do the same. When you're done with it, tap on this pause icon on the top left corner next to this record. You have successfully paused and even save this. Tap on this play icon to play it next to this recorded voice, so you can see that start writing or choose it. So it's being played. So when you're done with all of this, tap on the stick option on the top left corner to save it and go back, and you have successfully created a voice note and created a note for it. You can even keep a title since we are heading with this untitled note, but you know how to create it, right? So tap on this new note on the bottom again. Tap on add attachment below record audio. You have an option of choosing anything from the gallery. It could be a picture or a video. Tap on the 3 straight parallel lines on the top left corner. Scroll down. Tap on gallery below audio files. Choose any of the picture or video that you want to keep for saving in it. I am going to choose one of the video, and I have an option of even keeping one of the picture. Tap on the stick option on the top right corner when you're done. You can see that I have a picture and then a video on the top. I have an option of adding a note title. Tap on this note title on the top. Keep any of the title that you want to. When you're done keeping the title, you can even add some emoji. And when you're done, tap on the stick option on the top left corner. You can see your note is being saved. Tap on this leftward directed arrow on the top left corner again. Scroll down. You can see that on the top you have successfully created a note from an attachment. That is your video and then your photo. Tap on new note on the bottom again. Below add attachment is an option of start sketching. Tap on start sketching. You have an option of creating any of the sketches and then create it as a note. Let me keep something. I am going to write here something so that I won't forget it and I could make it more fancy. I have an option of even choosing the color, erasures, and then some dotted lines, and even undoing the particular activities that I've done before. Tap on the pencil-like icon next to this eraser icon on the top. So let me choose a red one, and then I'm going to keep here something. I'm going to write it again. So you can see that I have a red text going on. So even I can use the eraser and then erase any of the thing that I want to. You can see that I have successfully erased them. And then the next one is to create this gray thing over here. Okay, so when you're done, tap on this leftward directed arrow on the top left corner. Yeah, you can see that you have an option of note title on the top. Tap on note title and add any of the title that you want to. I am going to write in 19 July and tap on tick option on the top left corner again. Just by doing it, you have successfully saved this particular note. Tap on leftward directed arrow again on the top left corner and go back. On the top, there is a particular note return in by using a sketching. So this is how you do it. Tap a new note on the bottom again. Below it is an option of take photo. You can take picture of any of the things and then create a note for it. I am going to take a picture. I'll show you how to do it. Tap on take photo on the bottom. Below start sketching. Take a photo of any of the document. Keep it in a place just like this. You can see it's been captured, and when you're done, you can tap on the stick option on the right corner, bottom right corner, and you can see that it's the particular document that you have just kept a picture of. So you can tap on this note title and keep any of the title and keep a emoji as well, and tap on the stick option in the top left corner. You can see that your note is being saved and you have successfully saved the note. To go back, tap on this leftward directed arrow on the top left corner again. So you have also used the take picture option and created a note. Tap a new note on the bottom again. Below, on the very bottom, you have an option of blank note. Tap on blank note, the very next one. Here you can choose a template or start writing something. It should be randomly anything, just a blank note, okay? So let me keep a note of a title for it. So when you're done with the title, you can tap on this, start writing or choosing, or you can choose anything, or even tap on this templates. You have an option of choosing the templates from here. You can use it for the project tracker, core card, core chart, business plan, and anything. I'm going to tap on gratitude journal. Tap on apply template on the bottom. So you have an option of keeping anything here. Let me do it. I'm randomly going to keep anything here. Okay, so when you're done with all of this, you can tap on this tick option on the top left corner. You can see that your note is being saved. Tap on this leftward directed arrow section top left corner again. On the top, you can see that there is a blank note once again. So tap a new note. We have successfully used all 6 of the options. So this is how you create a note and a notebook by using the option given on the Evernote. So I hope this video was really helpful for you in guiding you to make the best note and the notebook out of it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.